Hi everyone, today I will be explaining and providing a training on using the AlcoBrew SFA application for recording stock and performing visual merchandising activities. So let us start first by downloading it from the Play Store. Here I go. I typed AlcoBrew application. Please check. Please install this application on an Android phone. Version should be higher than 4.5. So let me open this application now. So I need to enter my credentials. मेरा जो मोबाइल नंबर है, जो मेरे क्रेडेंशियल है इसे लॉगिन करने के लिए, आई एम यूजिंग दैट. There is one more option, that is forgot password. If in case you forgot out your password, you can reset it by clicking on the forgot password. It will ask for the ईमेल आईडी. तो आप अपना ईमेल आईडी इसमें फर्स्ट इनपुट करेंगे और सबमिट पे क्लिक करने पर इट विल सेंड अ मेल टू यू टू रीसेट योर पासवर्ड अगेन. राइट. So now let me proceed. Allow. So this is my home page where I have multiple options. Apart from that, I have more options on my side menu. Here it is. Right. To initiate using the application, let me check again. So I need to first day in first. And day in करने के लिए मुझे अटेंडेंस पे जाना होगा. मैं अटेंडेंस पे गई and it is asking for device location. Allow this time. I have to click on day in. Now my day has started with, so I can now perform any of the activities starting from add meeting or checking the today's beat plan and other options also. So पहले हम outlets पे जाते हैं. ये हमारे outlets हैं given with the route names. हर route name में they have been some outlets assigned. For example, Preet Vihar area is the route name and WP outlet and DTC outlets are the two outlets assigned for this route. Okay. So मैं अब मुझे अपना आज का today's beat plan देखना है. तो आज के लिए मुझे क्या assigned है. So my route is Preet Vihar and these are the two outlets. Even I can just click. So this is the outlet page where जहाँ पे outlet की image है picture उसके names के साथ एक option है. There is an option for edit KYC, right? And there are more options like take stock, collect payment, take feedback, running campaign, other information and mark close. While clicking on the mark close option, it will store that this outlet, ये जो outlet है ये closed है if you click on the mark close. Let me show you for the other page. Okay. Now I have checked WNP outlet. इस outlet का KYC हो रखा था, इसकी information हमने checkout कर ली. लेकिन it is compulsory to perform a first time KYC for an outlet. So DTC outlet पे मैंने जब क्लिक किया, it is saying please take outlet picture before proceeding. So what are the mandatory things for outlet KYC is to upload a picture, right? At the time you are uploading and fetching the picture, it will take the coordinates of that location. Means उस जगह के वो coordinates ले लेगा जहाँ आप उस outlet का pictures and information store कर रहे हैं. So I am going back with my other option, other outlet, जिसमें I can see all the option of checking. WNP outlet here. So I have to start by first performing an activity and that includes take stock, जो मेरा main option of starting point है जहाँ पे मैं अपनी stock collection और visual merchandising activity करते हैं. राइट. सो ये मेरे प्रोडक्ट्स की लिस्ट है जिसको जो अवेलेबल हैं उस स्टॉक पे मैं उसके रिस्पेक्टिव में उनकी क्वांटिटीज़ का काउंट लिखते जा रहे हैं उसमें. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल मैंने इसमें इनपुट किया. सिमिलरली फॉर अदर, राइट. सो दीज स्टॉक जो उस आउटलेट पे था दैट हैज़ बीन एडेड. नाउ आई हैव मार्क दैट. नाउ आई एम गोइंग फॉरवर्ड. एट एनी पॉइंट अगर मुझसे मिस्टेकनली आई हैव पुट समथिंग, सो आई कैन एडिट ऑल्सो, मीन्स मैं उसे इमीडिएटली एडिट करके उसे अपडेट कर सकती हूँ. राइट, इट हैज़ बीन अपडेटेड नाउ. सो आई हैव रिकॉर्डेड द स्टॉक. Now this screen is for my visual merchandising activity. So first it asks for POSM material, point of sale material. क्या है वो हमें इनपुट करना है. इसमें मेरी ये सारे ब्रांड्स हैं. वाइट हिल्स, गोल्फर शॉट, वाइट एंड ब्लू, ओल्ड स्मगलर, लाइन डेयरी. So first option it will ask for the POSM, that whether you have a shelf strip, poster, do you have main board, a dangler. When I choose an option yes, it will show me a reference image against that कि how a shelf strip reference image to be uploaded. तो आपको ये जब आप reference image देखेंगे इससे आपको एक आइडिया थॉट मिल जाएगा कि आपको जो इमेज लेनी है फॉर अ शेल्फ स्ट्रिप वो इस फॉर्म में लेनी है. राइट. क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस, आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे इट विल आस्क फॉर एन टेकिंग अ फोटो. सो यू कैन ईजिली click on that and proceed. So let me take one photo and let me perform an action on that. Okay, just once. Right. So I have clicked. Now I have added one item. तो अब I proceed further. सेकेंड स्क्रीन जो मेरे उसमें पूछ रही है वो है शेल्फ विजिबिलिटी की. इन केस येस है आंसर आपका या नो है. येस, इट विल आस्क यू न्यूमरस इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द शेल्फ विजिबिलिटी फॉर दैट ब्रांड्स. इफ नो देन द आंसर बेसिकली इट्स if no. Let us check by yes option. For example, if the SKU is facing the shelf or not. So I clicked on White Hills brand and it asks कि आप इसमें White Hills shelf का quantity NIP 90 ml 60 ml का काउंट इनपुट करें. So I have to enter, मुझे इस पर एंटर करना है. If I put it will ask that this field is in validity. So it is compulsory to input it कि उसमें informations क्या हैं. I have put that information. I have added now. Right. For every brand you can proceed by putting the count, print or the amount, and also there is an option to check the shelf strip image for that if you have any competition brand. So आप उसके against upload कर सकते हैं by clicking on this. It is providing the option to you. Right. Now below this the screen I can check that there are some more reference images for our competitor brands. जो इन brands के against अगर कोई भी competitor brands हैं वो भी आपको show कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. So these are the brands images of competitors. If you have on the same outline you can take a picture of those competitors also. Now once I click on this submit, जैसे मैं submit पे click करेंगे तब ये activity for this outlet has been completed. Right, so it has been completed now. Even I can again go and check, click on WP and I go to the tags. It already said that you have already completed. So once I have completed an activity including the take stock, visual merchandising, so it will show me that you have completed. आप वो complete कर चुके हैं. Right. So I can also see in this option in the same outlet page there are more options. वो options क्या हैं इसमें? जैसे हमने अभी टेक स्टॉक देखा वैसे ही कलेक्ट पेमेंट अगर इस आउटलेट के अगेंस्ट है, या फीडबैक है, या रनिंग कैंपेन की इंफॉर्मेशन, या कोई और अदर इंफॉर्मेशन देनी है, सो वी कैन गो अहेड. सो लेट मी स्टार्ट विद कलेक्ट पेमेंट. इसमें हम पेमेंट से रिगार्डिंग जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है वी इनपुट इनटू. राइट. So we input the amount, mode of payment क्या है इसमें, NEFT, RTGS and all the information. There is an option to upload the picture also, and click on the save payment, so it will record the information on that, right? So ये information मैं अपने payment पे save हो जाएगी. Likewise मैं दूसरे options जैसे feedback, अगर हमें feedback देना है इस stock के against इस outlet पर, so उस पर purpose select करेंगे, उसमें क्या purpose है. We upload a picture also, there is an option, and you can put the remarks if you need to put, right? Apart from that, there is running campaign, other information. Let us see for running campaign. So this is the dynamic campaign. I click on this holographic projection, I put my remarks, or even I can put a image against that. एंड वंस आई क्लिक ऑन सबमिट, जैसे मैं सबमिट पे क्लिक करूँगी वैसे वो इन्फॉर्मेशन उस पर सेव्ड आउट हो जाएगी रिगार्डिंग दी कैंपेन. फॉर एग्जांपल आई पुट इट टेस्ट. So the campaign information has been inserted now. So we have checked the option take stock, collect payment, take feedback, running campaign. Now we'll check for other information. This is for storing additional information about for example उस contact person का name क्या है जो उस outlet पे है, उसका कोई birthday reminders हमें डालना है या anniversary reminders डालना है. So we can just put the information on that, right? So I have taken this stock and I have completed that part. Now I move to the other, performing a KYC for an outlet. So how do we do a KYC? KYC के लिए it is asking you need to take a picture before proceeding. So I have to click a picture upon. The picture, name and the contact mobile number. So these are the information I have to input. For example मैं information डाल देती हूँ थोड़ा और सबमिट पे क्लिक करें. आई हैव टू अपलोड अ पिक्चर ऑल्सो अगेंस्ट इट. सो जस्ट वंस. Now the moment I save the information and click on submit, it will be stored and the location, जो location होगा उस टाइम पे वो एज अ सेव्ड हो जाएगा कि दैट दिस इज़ द आउटलेट एड्रेस, right? Now the record has been successfully inserted, so we have to do a sync option. There it is, right? Okay, now here you can see easily the image I have uploaded, it is showing now, but previously वो blank था उसमें. Now it won't ask, ये आपसे दोबारा नहीं पूछेगा because that is the first time KYC action you have to perform for an outlet जिसका KYC नहीं हुआ हो. So here are the same options जो हमने other outlet पे देखे थे, WNB outlet पे जो देखे थे, same options are for the other outlets all as well. इसमें I can see that there is an option to go for edit KYC. This is the same information, आप इसको अपडेट कर सकते हैं. फिर मिस्टेकली आपने कुछ अपडेट कर दिया है तो यू कैन जस्ट अपडेट द नंबर, पर्सन नेम, राइट? सो दिस कैन बी डन ईजिली. Now I am marking this outlet as closed, so I have saved this information that this outlet has been closed for today. Now if I again already submitted for this outlet status, so I have already submitted that this has closed, so I cannot go beyond. Now we have checked the beat plan, जो beat plan आज के लिए assigned है. The date it is showing, the month and the year it is showing to us, और उस रूट के अगेंस्ट जितने भी आउटलेट्स हैं वो हमें शोन है जो हमने अभी कंप्लीट किए हैं आज, राइट? साइड मेन्यू बार्स में आई हैव अदर ऑप्शंस लाइक आउटलेट हिस्ट्री. दिस इज़ माई ब्रीफ हिस्ट्री, जो कि इस मंथ के डे इन और डे आउट्स पे है और वर्किंग आवर्स. लास्ट मंथ में इट इज़ शोइंग नो रिकॉर्ड, सो आई डोंट हैव. Now let me check for the meeting part. The meeting part, there are two options, जिसमें आप combined meeting भी कर सकते हैं या फिर meeting कर सकते हैं. Right, उसमें आपको choose type of meeting क्या है, where you are performing, if you have any remarks you can upload a picture. Combined meeting में you can perform with the user, any of the users. What is based out for L2 distributors or the outlets if they have. Right, so if I choose that's L2 performing some test part and I am saving that meeting has been created successfully. I can check that meeting by going into the meeting history. Right, so these are my complete set of meetings I have done so far. Moreover, you can search also between particular date range to showing from date and to date, and when you click on display it will show you that when you have conducted. All of the meetings has been filtered according to that. Now we have already checked the add payment method. We can check its history as well, what are the payments I have done. Right now no payments. Now it is showing I put a date filter from 24th to 29th of June, so it is showing me that this is the amount, this is the by payment by RTGS or check. Now my activity section. My activity for a particular date, I can check that I have performed what activities on that. If I have completed a stock, it will show me that this outlet has been completed with the stock plus visual merchandising activity. But if I have only taken a detail of a stock but not visual merchandising, that it will show me not completed. Now I come to the option KPI. KPI, these are the set lines which are being given, जो कि particularly हमारे यूनिवर्स जो असाइंड है हमें, जो हम करते हैं हर मंथ वाइज असाइन किए जाते हैं. कितनी शॉप्स हमने की हैं, तो शॉप्स डन हैं, डेज वर्कड, टारगेट्स विजिट्स हमारा कितना है और कितना शॉर्टफॉल उसमें आया है. सो आई कैन चेक दिस ऑल्सो from KPI. Sometime in between, if I lost some internet or connection issue, then and once again the internet is back, I have to just click on the sync data option, so that my entire data, जितना भी मेरा डाटा होगा जो मैंने विजुअल मर्चेंडाइजिंग या स्टॉक के टाइम पे लिया है, वो सब it will be automatically synced to the server. Right, we have seen this option. Let us see again. Outlet KYC, if you want to update the information, it will automatically ask you to edit it with the contact person name और उनका जो contact number होगा उसके बेस पर. So we have checked these options: history, outlets, add meetings, meeting history, do today beat plan, payment history, my activity, KPI, sync data, outlet, and finally logout. Now this takes the information of my GPS location. Now let us take to the home page again. We have checked all of the option. एक लीव सेक्शन है इसके अंदर विच हेल्प आउट यू टू अप्लाई फॉर अ लीव. अगर आपको लीव लेना है फुल डे या हाफ डे के लिए, यू कैन ईजिली सेट दैट. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम सेटिंग फॉर टुडे what sort of leave I want to take. I want to take a casual, and this is for test. Personal works and so I have applied on the loop. Right, so from the beginning till the end, let us summarize the entire points on AlcoBrew. So first we learn how to install the application from Play Store, right? And then we have checked how to do the KYC of an outlet, like I have done for DTC outlet Preet Vihar, right? And also I can do a jump call on that. Jump call, if the route is not assigned for today in my today's beat plan, if it is not assigned for today, then I can make a jump call like I done for today as well.